tigers and the elephants.
We did the elephants. We went and stayed overnight with the elephants.
When we went, in the paper on the plane, we were looking at them. Wow, that's awesome.
That was really
in the paper we read, it's like finding a bald girl in Thailand. So we were like, where is it? We found the place that the tiger bald girl.
Taking Jack to the
No, it was in Koh Samui. So we went to the one in Koh Samui. Had our bit to take.
brilliant.
Oh, the TV.
You heard that they were drunk up and
They were very drunk up. Literally, they had their faces stuck in a smiley.
we went and did like
It's genuinely 100%.
I know, it's your sister bought you the map. That's the only bit that confused us was how you got the map. I wanted to know.
I got mine from a restaurant. I saw like a stall selling them and I was trying to rip people off of it.
I'm still wearing my tie
Like,
coat.
usually I was like, right here, and I was like, maybe like 20 baht each.
Did you wear like white beaters and shit?
Oh, we were like,
I got so many Chiang Mai singer vests for like a quid each.
yeah. What have we done? They're just not really that exciting.
That one is. Yeah.